Hey, what's up guys? So welcome back to my channel. This one's going to be fairly short because it's just going over my last oil analysis. So I think this is the third or fourth time I've actually sent off an oil analysis kit to Blackstone. No, they don't sponsor me. They don't do any of that influence. But the reason why I like the oil analysis is because it's sending you like a health report, an internal health report of your motor. Like we all know, if you have a diesel, it's like a 10 or 11,000. I think it's an $11,000 upgrade. You kind of want to check up and make sure everything is good to go in your motor. Let me go ahead and pull it up. All right, and every time I do it, it's like roughly 40 bucks, which really isn't bad if I do it every other oil change. My last one mentioned to extend the oil from 5,000 or 6,000 to 8,000. So using that same oil, I threw it back in and I actually got to change that 9,000 miles. Well, your engine certainly didn't seem to mind the longer run in the oil. It's normal to see metals fluctuate a little even after identical oil change intervals. So this report would still have been really good even if you'd only run the oil for 6,000 miles again. After 8,500 miles, the fact that metals barely budged is a great sign that the internal parts are still getting along well. And from what we're seeing, an even longer run next time should be doable. The TBM was still plenty strong as well, so try about 10,500 miles next time and check back to see how the engine does. So yeah, they're telling me, you know, go even longer with that oil. So the oil that I did have was that Schaefer's OTR Plus 5W40, I think full synthetic. But right now there's Motorcraft, just factory fill in the truck right now. But you know, to extend out that motor oil for like 10,000 miles and it still score well in two different continuous oil analysis reports. Yeah, feel like that's pretty good oil. But now I'm on factory fill. So yeah, like I said, I pay like 40 bucks each time I do the oil analysis. I take it as I'm doing the oil change. And then, you know, I probably won't do it for this next oil change, but maybe the next one as well. So like every other, I'm very interested in how the truck is scoring, how everything is settling in, you know, before something blows up. So guys, let me know if you do similar tests. I know there's a few other businesses out there that do it. Or let me know if you have any questions, comments, let me know down below. But guys, until next time, see y'all.